Here I've got Xiaomi Mi Note 10 and let me show you how to activate camera timer on the following device. So at first you have to open the camera app and then tap on the more icon right here and you will notice timer. Click here and you can pick either 3 seconds delay or none of this. So let me pick 5 seconds for example and click here to make a photo with 5 seconds delay. That's it. Then if you would like to change it to 2 seconds, smoothly click twice and now as you can see the delay is a bit shorter, just 3 seconds, and if you'd like to switch it off, just make it be deactivated and now you can grab a photo immediately after the click. So this is it. This is how you can activate camera timer in your Xiaomi Mi Note 10. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.